$2 for the smaller ones. How much are the shoes? What is this? What's up?
Hey, 7134 Richmond. Just go down here, make a left, make another left.
PS5 games for PS5 games, $5 a piece.
He probably wants a lot.
Bro, these are 4K. I want Ursula.
What are you asking on the Transformer? 40. 40?
What do you have on Ursula?
Hey. $2.
$2. What about Deadpool?
$2.
$2.
Hey, what is it?
What?
What is I lock right now?
These are
sealed.
Yeah, these are $5. You want some?
I would rather you take it all and make a bundle of this, if possible. Look at, I picked this. It's like 40. How much for Earth? He's like, $2. What am I doing? What universe did I wake up in today?
Rodverse.
Hey,
How much are those?
I'll let you do it. DVD. Can you do that and tell me if that's a good deal? I mean, it looks like Studio Optimus.
Yeah, I think it might be
Because I saw the high one on the other one.
140.
Yeah.
Dude, do you know how much these are?
They're Blu-ray though?
No, they're 4K.
Oh, yeah. So 4K. So just. What about with the little one?
$5 a piece.
And do both.
Smoking the Bandit. Oh, you got Poltergeist? Man. Godzilla.
Good stuff. I don't think he's taking our Ursula, son.
I'm getting Ursula, buddy. Do you have a deal if I buy all your DVDs?
Hi, puppy. If you bought all the 4Ks, I could do $4 a piece.
$4 a piece?
I mean, that's the best I can do on the 4K one.
Alright, sir. What would you do for the giant stack of DVDs and games here and these guys? And how much were you asking for these ones here?
It's $5 for the big ones, and $2 each for the little ones.
$2 for the smaller ones.
$60 sounds good to you?
I'll do 60.
In that bag?
I do not. Do you have a bag?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I'll take a bag. Thank you. Man, I appreciate the deals today. Do you have any other ones, or is this it?
That's the set of the 4Ks and the Blu-rays.
So what'd you end up doing? Just getting rid of just?
I got probably about a 6-foot tall shelf. It's probably about 5 feet long.
Yeah.
And it's just full of movies.
Wow. Okay.
Just stuff that I ain't watched, ain't even opened.
Yeah, I saw you. There's a guy. Time to get rid of it.
Oh man, ship a big Funko.
I've shipped those before. It's cool for a big auction, though. You know what I mean? Like you put in there's a cool item or something.
I'm not really
One sold for 30 free, and then another one sold for 31 plus.
One sold for 35.
One sold for 35 free.
Yeah.
19 plus.
Yeah. They're cool.
$5. I don't know. Would you buy it?
I'm not real sure what they would.
Yeah, I would.
Okay, buy it.
I'm not gonna buy it today, but I mean, if you want it,
You're like,
I would. You asked me if I would buy it. Doesn't mean I'm gonna buy it today.
Yeah. That's the one.
You seen this one?
Sure.
That's what I was looking at.
No bundle deal, Dick. Come on.
Well, what I was thinking, I was going to say, would you do 10 for the bundle? I was thinking medium size could be 3.
Yeah.
But it'd be $1 extra, $10.
I'll let you do it for 10. I'm just trying to get rid of some of the clutter around.
Yeah, I got you, man.
I'm glad you let us help you out.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Lots of shoes.
Yeah, it's mostly shoes. Their friends getting rid of their first shoe business. So.
Wow. How much are the shoes?
The prices are underneath them.
Oh, okay.
Everything in the bins out there is $5.
A lot of the shoes in here were priced anywhere from $10 to $20 to $30 a piece. Like these boots had $25 on them. I'm sure if I would have spent a good half an hour, 45 minutes here digging through all the shoes, I would have found some good deals. But there's a bunch of other community sales going on, so I decided just to head on out and see what else I can find.
I know, right? She said that. She said, don't let people buy my lawn stuff. That would be so funny.
Morning.
Hey, how are you?
Good. How are you guys doing today?
Doing all right. Thank you. Hey, good morning.
Morning.
We had dressers and everything.
Oh, this is awesome.
All the church congregation donating.
Wow, that's great. Is this going good? Well, I know this.
That's a beach mat.
What we got over here? Little chairs. Is it a Wonder Woman cup? Coffee cup? That's cool.
That's my car.
Oh, that's yours?
Yeah.
Oh, that's your pile?
No, I don't have a pile. I was sitting. I left it there while I was looking around.
Gotcha. Okay.
I'm sorry. No, you're fine. I was just letting you know. Well, hey, sir. That other lady from this car that was over there.
How much is that?
$1.
$1. Okay.
Look at my station today.
Do you want lemonade?
Absolutely.
Oh, he said absolutely.
Absolutely. I'll get.
Or we have regular.
Oh man, you got little packs.
Also, did you know that we actually have? Or
Walkie-talkies?
Or if it's our half size, you can get 2 for $2.
Look at you upselling me. Look at you.
Poor man.
I'm impressed.
It's not $2.
All right.
Or you can get 1 for $1.
All right, I'll take one pink lemonade.
For $1.
Fair.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank
You have change for 5?
Yeah, you guys have change. Yes, we do.
Yes, we do. Okay. Yeah, change.
Yeah, so you give them back 4, because what's 5 minus 1?
4.
Right. So give them back 1, 2, 3, 4.
We still have coins.
And then you keep the 5.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, you guys did such a good job. So there's your $2 tip, and there's your $2 tip.
Oh, thank you so much.
$2. That's right.
Goodness, that was so kind. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Listen, that was me as a kid.
Yeah.
So I got to, every time I see it, I have to pay it forward.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. It's Carhartt.
Can't leave. I don't know who that is. Looks like Bill Bradley.
Carhartt.
You buying that to sell? Or wear?
I put on, depending on how much it is.
Yeah.
Put on thing. How much is the shirt? $1. Maybe $1 for it. Do you guys have any more Carhartt stuff?
No.
Jackets or anything like that? There you go. Thank you. Thank you. You guys have a wonderful day. Good morning. How you guys doing today? Doing good. What is this?
Oh, that is a signed autograph from John Glenn.
Where'd it come from?
Kennedy Space Center when I was there.
Oh, okay. What are you asking for that?
$100. I was going to ask for the set.
There's a set?
Yeah, there's another one here.
Oh, there's another one? Oh, that one's not signed
That
though.
one's not signed.
Okay.
I only got one signed.
Get one signed.
Bummed me out, but
Does this one say in the back that it's signed? Or did you get signed yourself?
it's right there.
No, I know, but was there,
Oh, no.
there's no COA or anything with it?
Nope, but I did have him sign it.
Okay, so you met him and had him sign it when you were there.
Neat guy.
That's cool.
Hero.
So it's $100 for both, for the pair. These are what, numbered to 700? That one is 17. Such an interesting piece.
I know it.
How was he when you met him?
He had all his scruples at the time.
Did he? Okay.
Yeah, I mean, he was definitely interesting astronaut. I've met
Yeah.
a lot of astronauts.
Okay.
In the days. You know, I worked on at the Space Center.
Oh, you worked on the Space Center. Oh, okay. That's
So
awesome.
To meet him was like
Yeah, that's awesome.
pretty cool.
Yeah.
Some of the best ones I've met is Story Musgrave.
Okay.
They always called him an alien because he shaved his head and he looked like an alien.
Yeah.
But he had the best stories. You know?
Really? Do you have any other cool stuff like this?
I do, but I haven't brought it out. I was
Okay.
just like,
What other stuff do you have?
just a lot of autographed photos of the astronauts and stuff.
Okay. And you
Mission stuff.
because when you worked there, you were able to get all that
Oh
stuff.
yeah, I met people like.
What I mean, are you looking to sell any other stuff?
I was in. I don't have it right now.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I'll take your name.
Well, I don't live here, so
you don't?
I live in Florida, so I'm just.
Oh great.
Yeah.
Where do you live in Florida?
Tampa area.
Okay, yeah, I lived there. We lived on the East Coast. I worked at the Space Center, and then we
Yeah, I was
moved
gonna say
to
you
the
probably.
West Coast.
Yeah. I think it's fair, so I'll give you 100. I appreciate that, man. This is cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm excited. This is neat. I never bought anything from NASA stuff before, so
Yeah. Well, that's
I do a lot of sports collectibles and autographs and stuff, but I never had anything from John Glenn.
no. I didn't want to get rid of it, but I'm like, you know what? I'm getting older.
Yeah.
I asked my son. He's like, I don't want it. Dad. I'm
Yeah.
like, all right.
That's cool. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Super excited about this, to be honest with you. It's just an interesting piece. How much are your DVDs?
$2.
$2. What do we have here? The Rock Comedy Tour. What is this? That's
Oh,
interesting.
he's a Christian artist.
Okay.
He's super fun. Hey, he's all right.
Mr. Ed. I'll get these for you.
Have you seen Person of Interest?
I have not. I heard it's good though. I heard it's really good.
Very good. Very good. $2 a piece. Is that okay?
Yeah, it sounds good. Oh, that one's open. Cool.
Oh, sorry, babe.
Make sure that I tell him I bought and I got home like, why didn't I look? Say, well.
You don't have anything smaller, do you?
I just went to the ATM. Hold on, let me check. Oh, I have a 10.
He's got a 10. Yeah, so you got to give him $2. I don't have any money.
Just keep it.
All right, thanks.
Thank you so much.
Yep, thank you.
That stuff.
What's it? No, I'm good.
Yeah, let me get your bag.
Oh, jeez. You break it, you bought it. I already bought it. This is what not to do at a yard sale, everybody. Appreciate you guys watching my demonstration. You guys have a wonderful day. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Good. How are you guys doing today?
Good, thank you. Everything's making offer except for the tumblers.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. Fill a bag for $1.
Fill a bag for $1.
Kenzie, hand him one. I want
It's my type of sale.
I'm gonna fill a bag, take a bag.
I sell clothing live on Dibbit Threads, so when I come to yard sale when they have a fill a bag for $1, it's definitely worth me picking up a bag or two for the live auctions.
You take 20, don't you?
Yeah, sure does.
Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day.
I'll deal.
You too.
What a crazy find at a garage sale. Out of all the garage sales I've ever been to, I never came across anything like this, especially living in Florida. I thought I would by now. But find someone who worked for NASA, who worked for the space station, and to come across a John Glenn autograph at a garage sale is crazy. I don't have a doubt in my mind that this is not real. I talked to the gentleman for a good 30-40 minutes. You guys only saw a little portion of it on the actual video here. We had an in-depth conversation. He went through what he used to do there. He went through his whole history. I mean, and he knew I was filming, so everything lined up. Everything seems legit. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to take it to GSA. I'm going to find a local sports card show in my area. They authenticate autographs there. I already looked on the website. It's going to cost me $25 to get it authenticated, and then they'll give me a little hologram to put in there if it is real. What it's going to be worth in the secondary market, I'm expecting that to be $400 or $500, maybe more. I don't know. So I just got to find a local show, get that taken care of. But I will update you guys in a future video once I get that done, and I'll show you a little clip of that. One of my favorite things about yard sales, you just never know who you're going to meet. Like, I met a guy who worked for NASA, and we had a whole conversation about NASA. Like, this is what's the best thing about what we do. We go out there, we get to meet interesting people, we find great deals, and we just have a good time. So let me know in the comments down below, what is the most interesting thing you guys have ever found at a garage sale? I would love to hear it. Or maybe the most interesting person you met at a garage sale. Let me know in the comments down below. Guys, we are literally like less than 200 subs away from hitting 25,000. Please make sure you guys do hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. That way, anytime I drop a new video, you guys get an instant notification when it comes out. And until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.